What we now need to do is make some way for people to enter data into this. Now the easiest way is to make a form, because the tables are just way too tricky for entering data. They're just to store data. So we're going to make several forms now. On your booklet you've got designs for 4 different forms and some sub-forms that need to be made. So we're going to make the most simple one now. The easiest way to make forms is to use a form wizard. Okay, so I'm going to make the member form. Very simple. Just use the wizard, send all the fields to it. Columnar layer is best. We'll talk about the others later. I don't care what you choose here, just make it consistent. Okay, I'm just going to use the basic one. What title do you want? Member details. And it's always a good idea just first of all to see what it looks like, and then to go back into design view to change it. Now you'll notice that the layout of forms is very different to what you're used to in, say, something like Word. You've got a header and a detail section, which will be very important to remember about later. Let's just add our picture in here. There's our logo that we've created. You'll notice that I'm dragging things around. If I want to change the format of something, then what I do is I select the box. I don't select the text inside. Okay, you select the whole box and you'll be able to see things out here, change things around. You'll also notice down here that there's a label, which is the bit on the left. Now I can edit the label any way I like, and then I've got the field. Do not touch anything inside the field. Okay, change your labels, I don't care, but the field is sacrosanct. Do not touch. The other thing we're going to have here is a couple of buttons, and because we're using a wizard, that'll help us a lot. So this one here is going to be for a form operation. And refresh form data, we might use it like that. I was looking for one that said clear, but anyhow. Text. Okay, and we're going to have another one over here that's going to be used to print the card, but we'll do that later because you need to make your card before you actually print it.